Okay guys, I got another unboxing here. Got this out the Blu-ray bin. Now these have been out over a month now. They came out October 6th. This came out over October 16th, not these, but this came out October 16th at Walmart. It was in the Blu-ray bin and I couldn't pass it up. I mean, American Pie. I'd been wanting to get this. I'd picked it up like I think a little bit after it came out at Walmart, and I was like, oh no, should buy it. And I passed it up and I got those other ones in that one. But I got Porky's here on Blu-ray. Now, I've seen the DVD version of this. I've seen all of them. But I've never seen it in high definition. Let's see, does it say on here? Blu-ray specification. It don't say that it's in 1080p. That's the only weird thing I have with buying the movies on Blu-ray sometimes, is because if they don't say that, I'm afraid like, oh, it's not going to be high def. That it'll be kind of like boosted a little, but it won't be like super high def like they make out. Because I've got Space Jam right now. Not Space Jam, Ferris Bueller's Day Off, and I've been just weirded out about buying it on Blu-ray. Dang, I hate how they do that. How they seal a movie and it's like sealed completely all the way around. Oh my gosh. Look how to open this thing the wrong way. I hate how they seal the tops. Look at that. Oh, is it? Let's hope it ain't. If that's... They need to literally quit doing that. I'm getting tired of seeing that happen. Where you open it up and it's got that sticky part up there. It keeps getting stuck. Because I had to like literally burn that one off over and over by rubbing something on it and it kept on rubbing it and it kept getting hot until it finally like melted off onto the item I was rubbing against it. That was actually, you didn't see that unboxing because for some reason the upload didn't work right, and I just didn't upload it because I tried uploading it several times and it just kept on not uploading. But it was Shrek. Yeah, Shrek had a couple. Here's the cover and stuff if I didn't show you all the way without the wrapper. Here's the back of it. Now I gotta open it up. Feels like I have sticky stuff on my hands. Yeah, there's nothing inside. There it is. Right there on DVD. Yeah, I don't like how they keep on doing it with the Blu-rays, because it's not part of the cover. It's just on the outside of it. Well, that's it for this unboxing. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.